Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. We are just off the Bun Garden Road and Dhole Patil Road, and as you can see below over here, this valve has been continuously leaking out, spilling drinking water onto the road, and this has been going on for about 2 days, around 48 hours. This is a very precious commodity, and the PMC has not taken any cognizance about it. The drinking water, as you can see, is leaking continuously. It's clear water, it is not sewage water. It's absolutely clear, there is no smell, there is no stench in the water. PMC needs to take immediate action and stop this flow, because water is a scarce and precious commodity. This is why tanker mafias come into play, and people and societies and other places have to pay crores of rupees to the tanker mafia because of age-old archaic pipes which get cracked, or valves are not functioning properly, and drinking water leaks out and spills onto the road, and it's a complete waste of a very precious commodity. This needs to get stopped. So this is the Bun Garden Road, and that's the Ruby Hall Clinic where the water has been leaking. This is a restaurant here, Enna Rasam. Continuously water has been leaking. The PMC is not taking any steps to stop this flow of water. Healing Hands Clinic, just next to Ruby Hall. Enna Rasam, continuous flow of water. Hundreds of liters of water has been wasted by sheer negligence. A colossal waste of a very precious commodity. PMC should wake up and take immediate steps to stop this flow of water, drinking water. What a colossal waste. People, societies are paying crores of rupees every year for tanker water, while precious drinking water, a very scarce commodity, is spilling onto the roads and getting wasted. You can see till where the water has come, and it is going down the drain. Can you imagine drinking water is going down the drain? Drinking water mixing with sewage water. What a shame. When is the PMC going to wake up? There were recent elections held. What are the corporators doing is what the citizens of Dhole Patil Road are asking, and all over the city. There is a slope from where the leak is, and the water is continuously flowing and getting into the drain. As you can see here, hundreds and thousands of liters of water have already been wasted. So as you can see here, there is a serious water leak which has been taking place for a long time. Water has been leaking and spilling onto the roads, which is a serious waste of a very precious commodity. Drinking water is flowing all over the road, is spilling out of a valve which has been leaking. Continuous flow of drinking water leaking onto the main road just next to Ruby Hall on Dhole Patil Road. So this particular valve has been leaking.